لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة المائدة من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا ولقد جاءتهم رسلنا بالبينات ثم إنا كثيرا منهم بعد ذلك في الأرض لمسرفون. Translation: Because of that we decreed for the children of Israel that if anyone kills the soul of human being except it is in punishment for a murder or for spreading corruption disorder on the earth, it would be as if he killed all mankind, and if anyone saves a life it would be as if he saved the life of all mankind. Although of our messengers they had come to them certainly with clear signs and proof, yet even after that many of them continued to exceed beyond the limits, acting unjustly, committing major sins on the earth. Different scholars have explained this ayah differently. One explanation is this, that whoever kills one human being without any reason of Islamic jurisprudence or Sharia and kills someone as a transgression will be as if he has killed all humanity. Killing for Islamic jurisprudence or Sharia, meaning that if somebody has been killed for a qisas or somebody has been killed for spreading corruption in the world, is permissible in Sharia. A person who has killed as transgression will have wrath of Allah, lana of Allah, and will enter the hellfire, and this is the punishment for one murder. If somebody murders all the humanity, his punishment will be the similar punishment, meaning that person will also get in the hellfire. He will have the wrath of Allah and he will have the lana of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it means that killing one human being is as if someone has killed all the humanity, and on the other hand, if somebody is killing someone and is stopped, the one who has stopped is similar that if he has saved all the humanity. In the hadith it has been mentioned that if somebody kills a person by transgression in this world, the son of Adam alayhi salam, Qabil, will get a share of his sin because he started this murder in this world. Similarly, if somebody is starting any bad deed in the world and some other people are following or doing it, the other people's sin will be shared with this person who originated or started this sin. And on the other hand, if somebody has started any good thing, any good custom in the world, and people after him are doing it or following him, they will get good rewards, and this person who started that good deed or good custom will get the rewards from the people who are following him as well. Now about the Bani Israel, it has been said before that they saw the clear signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they had the clear commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Torah, but they did not follow these commandments and they continued to disobey the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they were killing the prophets of Bani Israel before. And when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came in this world, they tried to kill him as well, ma'azallah, and they tried to kill that prophet who has been the highest of all the prophets, and they tried to kill the Muslims who has been the best ummah of the world. So they are clearly not following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that were given in Torah and that are given in Quran as well. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.